Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to adjust the text size in the Maxthon browser on your mobile device. This is useful if you want to make reading web pages more comfortable or easier on your eyes. First, open the Maxthon browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Appearance section and select it to open more visual customization options. Next, tap on Text Size to view the available text size options. Then, choose the size that best suits your preference. You can select between tiny, small, normal, large, and extra large, depending on how you want the text to appear. The text should now display in the size you selected, making your browsing experience more comfortable. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips.